आ गए हम लोग जंगल और बर्डिंग लॉज। हमारा कॉटेज थोड़ा सा नीचे जाके, बेसिकली ये रिट्रीट ही वैली में बनी हुई है, इसमें आपके स्टेप्स में कॉटेजेस हैं। सो वी आर एंटरिंग फ्रॉम हियर and there are some stairs. इसके बाद this is the first cottage. Then again some stairs. On the left hand side we have the reception and the restaurant area. This is the library area. Again some stairs. Here we have the bonfire area. In this area, when you have a good group, you can do a small evening side fire chat or something. Fireside chat. There in front of us we have two cottages. Still there are some steps before we reach our cottages. Here are the steps, and that's the first cottage, and one is there somewhere in the woods. So two cottages downstairs. Our cottage is that one, the left side. This is what they call. Mine is Kokolas Cottage. The others also named on, I guess, birds. This is our favorite spot to sit in the morning and in the evening once we have we have some sunlight. This is our home sweet home, because we have stayed here for 2 days, so you will see some chaos like tiles and everything. This is the cottage in itself. अभी ये आपको एकदम फ्रेश नहीं दिख रहा क्योंकि हमें 2 दिन रह चुके हैं, और नेहा आके इसको ठीक कर गई थी, वरना इसकी हालत ही बहुत ख़राब थी. This is the washroom, etc. The whole cottage is made of wood and soil, I guess clay, but yes, gives a good feel. Okay, that's for now. थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लेते हैं, फिर देखते हैं.